addition, Congress should be required to abide by the same health care plans for those families. I also believe we should be looking at tort reform, limiting frivolous lawsuits as a way of decreasing health care costs. I don't understand why this administration has not looked at that, except maybe they don't want to bite the hand that feeds them. Do you know that lawyers give 95% of their federal campaign donations to Democrats? And you know, our healthcare system is not inferior to other developed countries. And we should not be looking to their systems of heavy government intervention. Canada, Great Britain, and even our own state, Massachusetts. All of these systems are failures. They have been shown to increase taxes and limit health care availability. Now let me tell you something President Obama does, and all those liberal congressmen and Democrats do, to make you feel sorry. They tell you that there are 45 million uninsured Americans. The number is astounding. But you know what? Let's break that down. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, 17 million of those without health insurance live in households making $50,000 in annual income. Did you know that? 9 million reside in households making more than $75,000 per year. 1.4 million without health insurance are eligible for government health care plans, but just chose not to enroll. 12 of them are illegal immigrants who don't buy in health insurance, but they still get health care. So how many are we truly talking about? About 8 million, or about 18% of the 45 million that President Obama likes to talk about, or about 9% of the total amount of people in these United States. I'm running out of time, but there's one final issue that is near and dear to my heart, and I think to all of us as conservatives, and that is that of abortion. Our conservative views apply to timeless gospel issues, principles, and centuries of Christian social teachings. We respect life from fertilization to the time we join our Lord in heaven. Yes. However, the liberal Democrats, they don't believe that a fetus is a human life. So it is inconceivable that they will try to pass a health care that will not make us pay for abortions. And we should not pay for abortions, period. It is bad enough that we allow abortions, let alone making us pay for them. Abortion denies the fetus constitutional right to life. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights. Among them are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Yeah. That is the Declaration of Independence, 1776. So you see, this administration has it all wrong. And you know what they'll say to you? They'll say, oh, the fetus is not a life, so therefore it's not entitled to a life. But you know, I've been a nurse for almost 30 years. Whenever I wanted to check if a patient was alive or dead, I felt their pulse, their heartbeat. That meant they were living. Do you know that we can detect the heartbeat of a fetus at 21 days from conception? So how can the liberal Democrats tell us that that is not a baby that deserves the right to life?
They don't see grandma and grandpa as alive, a person either.
When I pointed out that health insurance is a relatively new phenomenon of American life and that it always wasn't this way, The common response from liberal Democrats is we are more enlightened now than we were 70 years ago. Meaning Grandpa and his peers were ignorant and lacked understanding about who should pay for his medical bills. Well, I say to you today, we are not more enlightened today, but some of our fellow citizens simply feel more entitled today. A sense of entitlement rather than a sense of responsibility. And if my dad was alive today, he would ask, where is your sense of personal responsibility? Since when is your health care my responsibility?
Yep. God bless you.